Alright guys, what we got going on today is we have the striker here, and I have these bushings. Now these are PVC. The reason why they're PVC is I went down to the auto parts store and they said it'd take about a week. And I'm like, a week? No, I just went to local hardware store, sized up some PVC, cut a slit here, but I am not moving this striker. The reason why, shut the door, yeah, it's flopping around, but it's right where the door's happy right now. Now when I put the striker on, it's going to change all of that. So you want to take a torque bit here and you want to adjust it to where it needs to be. So if you take it off now, put the bushing on, then put it back in there, you're going to lose that adjustment. Now you can't take a magic marker, of course, and mark it out, but I'm just going to do it this way. So you open it up, yeah, just like that. Now since it's got the slit put in it, it's going to act like a spring also. So every time your door goes to shut, it's going to open up just a little bit, just enough, knowing that it's going to be fully locked on the door. And you, which it's Daytona 500 approved, by the way. So here we go. Okay. Yeah. There we go. That's it, guys. Stay tuned for more videos and content on this. Later.